Welcome to Introduction to Python. So a bit about this class before we start. This is a class that will cover the basics of Python within the course of 4 weeks. Today we'll be talking about variables and their types. Next week we'll move on to float control, which is basically a fancy way of describing if statements. And then for week 3 we'll move on to loops. Finally we'll end with turtle graphics, which is another part of Python that allows you to draw really cool things. So let's get started. What is Python? Well, let's look at the dictionary definition. A large, heavy-bodied, non-venomous constrictor snake occurring throughout the Old World tropics. I don't think that's what we're using. Let's look at the second definition. A high-level general-purpose programming language. That's more like it. Python is a programming language good for lots of different reasons. It's available for all ages, so it's good to learn as a beginner because even if you end up going on to more advanced programming, Python can still be used. It's useful in lots of different fields, and it's also fun and great to learn with. If you're learning programming because you want to become a programmer, or just for fun, Python is also one of the most used in top companies, so that's really useful for a first language. In this class, you can access Python on any software you have, from PyCharm to Trinket. But if you don't have any ideas of what to go on now, we recommend using starcoder.org's Playground for Writing.